Okay, let's start. In this video, I am solving the issue of copying tables from MS Word to Excel without losing the format. Copying data from one file to another, like from Word to Excel, is creating some problems. And the main problem is that we cannot copy the table format of data from Word to Excel. If you have line break in your Word table, you cannot convert such type of table to Excel with a simple copy and paste process. For example, let's have a look at the sales report of computer hardware containing different columns: product seller, product ID, product name, unit price, and sales. Now, if you use copy and paste tool to copy this table from Word to Excel, you will get the following output where the cells are split. Let's copy this, Control C, paste on the Excel sheet. Let's explore why these cells are splitting. While if we go on the Word format, these cells are there is one cell for this type of data. While when we go on the Excel sheet, these cells are splitting. If you turn on Show or Hide Filter characters from the Home tab in the Word document, you will see line break on. You will see filter character for every line break. However, you need to convert the table into Excel without splitting it. Do the following step. While working in a Word document, press Ctrl plus H, or alternatively go to the Home tab and then click on Replace. Later insert paragraph mark in the box. After the find word option and replace it with the line break. After the replace with option, last press replace all. I have replaced only the selected entries, not the rest of the document. Now copy the entire table and paste it into any cells within the Excel spreadsheet. Now copy the entire table and paste it in any cell within the ये काट देना and paste it into any cell within the Excel spreadsheet. Again, open the Find and Replace dialog box in Excel. Simply press Ctrl plus H and insert line break. यहाँ से काट देना जो वर्ड पे आया हूँ. Then insert line break, and after the find word option, press Ctrl J, insert a line break in the space after the replace with option. At last pick the replace all button. Eventually you can see the result. Furthermore, do some formatting and you can show it in a presentable way. That's the end of today's session. I firmly believe that you can easily convert a word table to an Excel spreadsheet using the above